Discover the elite selection of the top 6 business products right now. Make the smart choice by subscribing to our channel. Explore the video description for comprehensive information and the latest pricing. Streacom ST-DA2V2B DA2 V2. The Streacom ST-DA2 V2B DA2 V2 SFF Mini-ITX is a compact and versatile PC chassis designed for small form factor SFF and Mini-ITX builds. This sleek all-black case is ideal for users seeking a balance between a minimalist design and high-end performance. The D2V2 offers an efficient and modular layout that allows for easy customization of your PC components. With support for full-length GPUs, multiple storage options, and efficient cooling solutions, you can build a powerful and compact system to meet your computing needs. The case features a brushed aluminum exterior, providing a premium and durable finish. The sleek and understated design blends seamlessly into various environments, making it an excellent choice for both office and home setups. Streacom's attention to detail, thoughtful cable management, and tool-free assembly make building and upgrading your system a breezy. The ST-DA2V DA2 V2 SFF Mini-ITX is an excellent choice for users who demand a compact and elegant case, without compromising on performance and functionality. Corsair iCUE 2000D. Corsair has finally released a new mITX case, which Corsair seems to have shied away from until now. Meet the 2000D Airflow. The 2000D Airflow carries the same qualities as the other D Airflow variants that came before it, but with a much smaller footprint. The 2000D Airflow is priced at $139.99 and is available in black or white. So let's dig right in. Fresh out of the packaging, the 2000D Airflow stands tall, with mesh panels on every side. The dimensions of the 2000D Airflow are 200 x 271 x 458 mm. The rear of the 2000D Airflow is a full-length dust filter, specifically for air intake for the GPU. On the side are Velcro tie-downs for the PSU power cable to run down the side, stripping the 2000D Airflow down by removing the 2 side panels, which are held in with 2 captive thumb screws each. Next, removing the top panel is magnetic, and the front pops off with some force. In the rear, a magnetic dust filter will slide upwards. Now the bare bones that are exposed, we can see what makes the 2000D Airflow tick. Fan support is something Corsair did not skimp on with the 2000D Airflow, with mounting options up to 8 120mm fans at once. The 2000D Airflow from Corsair is a pretty stylish mITX case that offers great cooling potential, provided that the right hardware is installed. 360mm radiator support is something to note. It is quite rare for a mITX case to support such a large radiator, while most other mITX cases only support up to 280mm. Secondly, the build quality is top-notch, which we have come to expect from a brand like Corsair. RAIJINTEK Ophion R20 B00221. Despite being designed for floor placements, the Ophion Elite is shorter than its desk-designated competitors. Within 7.1 by 11.9 inch footprints and only 18 inches tall, some user may want to put it on a short stand next to their desk to keep its ports within easy reach. And with the port located on top, a grommet-filled cables passage on the back is the only external clues to the Ophion Elite's orientation. Designed to support both Mini-ITX and Mini-DTX motherboard, the area surrounding the trays is wide enough to hold board up to 8.875 inches from upper to lower edges. However, it's only tall enough to fit board up to 7 inches deep when using a full-size power supply, or 7.5 inch deep when using a SFX power supply with the included adapter. Additionally, it offers support for liquid cooling solutions and multiple fan configurations. Cable management is made easy with a dedicated space behind the motherboard tray. RAIJINTEK's Ophion Elite White Mini-ITX case not only looks great, but also provides the versatility and performance you need for your compact PC build. Whether you're a gamer content creator or want a stylish and functional case, the Ophion Elite White is an excellent choice. Thermaltake Tower 100. The Tower 100 is a new ITX chassis that comes with a totally different design from what we're used to. It places the motherboard along the back wall of the chassis, the GPU directly into the PCIe slot, rear I/O at the top under a cover, and a large ATX power supply in the basement. It's bigger than most ITX cases, but it's got a unique design that may appeal to those who want to show off their hardware, thanks to the glass on 3 sides. But although it's a small showcase, it somewhat limits practicality by favoring form over function. Without further ado, let's dig a bit deeper and find out if the case is good enough for a spot on our best PC cases list. The material's quality isn't the most stunning. It's nothing to be upset about and more than adequate. Only the shroud around the top of the chassis is made from cheap plastic, though it is color-matched quite well to the rest of the case. This chassis is primarily aimed at offering a lot of GPU space and compatibility. As such, fitting large GPUs up to 13 inches, 330 mm, is a breeze, but you won't get a lot of CPU cooling potential. The biggest AIO that fits in here is a 120mm unit, which isn't much. For gaming, this will be fine, but if you're also running a very powerful Intel CPU and doing a lot of CPU-intensive tasks, you may want to look elsewhere. SGPC K39. The SGPC ITX mini case, also known as the K39, is a compact and versatile small form factor (SFF) PC case designed to meet the needs of ITX builders seeking a minimalistic yet feature-rich case. Constructed from steel, the K39 provides robust durability and a sleek, modern appearance. It accommodates a 1U power supply and features front I/O with USB and Type-C ports for convenient connectivity. One of the standout features of the K39 is its dual-handle design, which allows for easy portability and installation. The case offers excellent ventilation options with 2 steel side panels and 1 acrylic side panel, promoting efficient airflow to keep your components cool. Measuring at just 5 liters in size, the K39 is a space-saving solution that's perfect for those who want to build a compact and stylish ITX system without compromising on functionality. Whether you're a home theater enthusiast, a gamer, or a professional seeking a compact PC, the SGPC ITX mini case K39 is a fantastic choice. Razer Tomahawk. Razer's Tomahawk ITX values form over functions. And although it looked great for a Mini-ITX chassis, it has design flaws that keeps it from being worth its steep prices. Razer wouldn't disclose who its production's partner was, but the chassis closely resembled that of the Lian Li 2150, albeit with a few changes. Given the collaboration's history between the two companies, a collaborations with Lian Li wouldn't be surprising. Whether this compact Razer cases deserves a spot on the best PC cases list remains to be seen. Let's dig into the Razer Tomahawk ITX's designs and performances to find out. There is some semblances of intake mesh on the side of the front panels, but the perforation is tiny and likely won't do much for coolings. At the bottom of the case, you'll spot 2 chroma RGB strips between the front and back feet. These provide chroma underglow lightings. With diffusers, they should handsomely light up the areas underneath the chassis. There is space for up to Mini-ITX motherboard, an SFX power supply near the front, and large 3-slot graphics cards. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and kindly hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.